We're out here in the trapping camp. Season's pretty well over. We're sending away all our furs to North American fur auctions. This is one bag. We have I think 7 fox, some beaver. We got 15. We got our link on the wall. We still didn't put those in the bag yet, and this bag is still not done. We got some fox in there, some mink, some weasel, some squirrel, some muskrat, a few marten. So yeah, the season's pretty over. We got the last weasel as we're pulling out all the traps. So snow's going down, and we got a few beaver left on thawing by the stove there. So it's pretty well lit for what's up with us lately. Peace.